Good morning viewers, welcome back again to another video. I'd just like to update something that has been happening with this car. As you guys can see from the previous video, I managed to replace the front shock assembly and that went good. After a week or so, I've been driving the car. I'm not quite sure what is happening, but I think I have hit a massive pothole somewhere during that week, and I've experienced a rattling, clunking noise underneath the vehicle. Just trying to find a suitable road so I can replicate that rattling noise for you guys. Okay, just bear with me guys, alright? And so now you have heard the rattling noise, and let's head back to the workshop and see what we can find.
Bisa.
Iya.
Nah, ini udah parah nih. Lembek kali udah. Ini udah parah ini.
We have already finished the installation, and now we're just going to test drive the car. Fingers crossed there's no more vibrations or rattling noise for this car. And lastly, after your test drive, verify that everything went well, there are no more vibration or rattling noise for the car, and then you are all good to go. And that is a wrap for today's video. I will see you again on the next one. Peace.